Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we are checking out the Hario Switch Immersion Dripper. The Hario Switch is a hybrid brewer. It allows you to brew how you want, when you want, because it can be used as an immersion dripper or it can be used as a pour over. And it also allows you to choose the precise time you want the drawdown to begin, which can give you the chance to experiment and try new methods. As you can see, the design of it looks very much like your classic Hario V60. It has the cone shape. This is heat-proof glass. It has this base that is made out of silicone. Inside of it has a stainless steel ball. It's kind of like a marble that either opens or closes, and that's what keeps it as either an immersion or a full pour over. And it's controlled by this PCT resin switch. When the switch is in the up position, the ball is blocking the bottom, and that's when you use it as an immersion method because the water is staying in constant contact with the coffee. But when you flip it down, the switch moves the ball up and allows that water to flow down, and that's when the beginning of the drawdown happens. That being said, if you're wanting to do it as a pour over and you have the switch flipped down the entire time, you can just for a moment use it as an immersion method so that you can decide how long you want the water to stay in contact with the coffee during the bloom. Another difference between the Switch and the V60 is that the hole in the bottom is actually smaller on this, but it's also very similar in the sense that it uses the same filters. This is a just classic Hario V60 O2 filter, and it uses a similar grind size. So we are gonna brew with the Switch doing an immersion method. So I have 20 grams of coffee right here. Just gonna go ahead and pour to 300 grams. This cone holds about, or with coffee, we'll probably comfortably get it up to about 240 and just to let it steep. The directions say to let it steep for 2 minutes. We found that it actually does better if it's a little longer. So we're gonna wait this out about 2.5 to 3 minutes. So we'll give this a swirl. Make sure everything gets, all the grounds are agitated. And as you can see that this is, the switch is in the up position, so there is nothing flowing through. But now that we're hitting that 2.5, 3 minute mark with the flip of the switch, the drawdown begins, and it actually comes out pretty quickly. Full drawdown is happening in about, we're at close to 30 seconds. So now that it's done, it leaves you with a really nice flat bed, and you are left with a very clean cup of rich coffee because of the immersion method. You can find the Hario Switch online at primacoffee.com, and thanks for watching.